Shophunter tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. Product research can be a very time consuming and tedious task as you want to start your Shopify store but you want to find the right product to start selling so you can make some money online. Well, this is where Shophunter.io comes in, as this tool promises to track the winning products of numerous Shopify stores, so you'll be able to find out what type of products are converting or trending at the moment. So you'll be able to find these products on AliExpress or other platforms, and then you'll be able to add them to your Shopify store and hopefully start making some money online. While Shophunter.io has been questioned by a lot of persons if their analytics is correct, I do think that you can at least look at it and give it a try. You don't have to go onto their paid plan, as you can get started for completely free. As it cannot hurt to use their platform to do some market research. I'm not completely sure if the data that they are showing is 100% correct, but at least you'll be able to find some converting products on numerous Shopify stores. If this sounds good to you and you'd like to see how it operates, be sure to stick around until the end and watch this tutorial. So once you're on shophunter.com, all you'll need to do is tap on sign up in the top right hand corner. Once you're signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And on this dashboard, as you can see right here, you can filter by tag, so you'll see at first all staff picked stores. And you can scroll down and you can see the recently added products, as you can see right here. So this is what I was talking about when I say you can use their platform to at least find some trending products. So you can scroll down and you can see different trending products, as you can see here. And with their platform, you can quickly tap on view on store, or you can search for the product on AliExpress. And you can see the date that it has been published, and you can also see the vendor type right there. So depending on the plan, if you go onto one of their paid plan, you'll be able to get more analytics. But you can use it to get an idea of the different products that are trending now, and you can also choose from different categories, as you can see right here. So let's say, for example, I were to tap on car. After scrolling down, you can see the top products that are selling in the car niche at the moment. So for example, if I were to select this one right here, you can see the product, and again, you can also view it on store by tapping on view on store right here, and it will normally redirect you to a Shopify store that is selling this product. So you can see right here, so you'll be able to view the product on this Shopify store. You can see that this product is currently sold out. So what you'll do is go back into Shophunter, and then from there you could scroll down and we could search another product. So let's say, for example, we were to select the fitness niche, and again you can scroll down and you can see when the product was added, as you can see right there. After finding the product, for example, let's say we were to find this product, so we were to select the product. After you have selected the product, again you can tap on view on store, or you could select search on AliExpress. Once you have selected search on AliExpress, it will automatically go onto AliExpress and find similar products if that particular product is not on AliExpress. So that is why I said, although the analytics on it, I cannot guarantee, or I don't think they are completely accurate, but you will be able to find trending products and so on. And you can also scroll down and you'll see the top advertised products, as you can see right here. Another thing that you can also use the Shophunter platform to do is by going up to the top right here, you could tap on explore, but this is only available for paid plans. But you can hover over top performers, and from there you can select top stores by revenue. After selecting top stores by revenue, you can see the different stores right here, and you can select either one and then you can analyze it. Another thing that you can also do, you can select top products by revenue, and from here you can see the different products that they recommend, as you can see right here. What I would also recommend that you do is hover over My Shophunter. Then from there you could tap on Add Shop, and from here you could paste in a Shopify store URL that you would like to also do some product research from. So what I would normally do is I'm going to go onto myip.ms, and then from there you'll be able to browse numerous Shopify stores. So let's say for example we were to select this store right here. All you'll need to do is tap on go to website. After you have done that, all you'll do next, you're going to copy the store URL. So you'll simply copy the store URL right here. And by the way, once it loads up, you can see what type of Shopify store it is, as you can see right there. After you have copied the store URL, you're going to go back into Shophunter. So let us do that real quick. And then you're going to paste the URL right here, and you're going to tap on Add Shop. Then after you have added the shop, typically you would give it 24 hours, and then from there you'd be able to get more information about the shop. But you can normally scroll down and you'll be able to see their trending product, as you can see right there. So that's basically it when it comes onto Shophunter. Whether their analytics are correct, I cannot guarantee that, as a lot of persons, as I said earlier, have questioned that. But I do believe that it is a product that you can use to do some market research overall if you're just getting started in your Shopify journey. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.